In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable extensions in the Google Chrome web browser. Let's start from the very beginning. Go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you're looking at a normal Chrome window, not an incognito window, because the extension controls we're going to use appear in the regular interface. At the top right corner of Chrome, you'll see a small puzzle piece icon. This is the Extensions button. Click on that, and a little menu will drop down showing the extensions that are currently active in your browser. This menu is mostly for quick access, but we need the full extensions page. So in that same menu, click on the option that says Manage Extensions. This will open a new tab with all your installed extensions. On the extensions page, you'll see a list of every extension that's installed in your browser, whether it's currently on or off. Each extension appears in its own box, with its name, a short description, and a small toggle switch in the bottom right corner of that box. That toggle switch is what you use to enable or disable an extension. If the switch is blue and slid to the right, that means the extension is currently enabled. If the switch is gray and slid to the left, that means it's disabled. To turn an extension off, simply click the blue switch so it moves to the left and turns gray. Chrome will immediately stop running that extension, but it will stay installed so you can always turn it back on later. To enable an extension that's currently disabled, do the opposite. Find the extension you want to use, look for the gray switch, and click it so it slides to the right and turns blue. In most cases, the extension will start working right away. If it affects web pages you already have open, it can sometimes help to refresh those pages so the extension can load properly. If you ever feel like Chrome is running slowly or a web page isn't working correctly, a good troubleshooting tip is to come back to this extensions page and temporarily disable a few extensions, then test your browser again. Because we're only toggling them off, you're not uninstalling anything, and you can safely turn them back on whenever you need them. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to go in Chrome to enable or disable any extension quickly and safely.